Welcome back. We now give you the business news. Zimbabwe is lining up incentives for companies setting up shop to promote industrialization. And we get more from our business editor, Stanley James.
The signing ceremony of an agreement between motor industry player AVM Africa and one of the country's largest investors, Dinson Iron and Steel Company Disco, in the creation of partnerships to revive the motor industry value chains, created a platform for government and the private sector to focus on long-term strategies to ease the import bill and focus on self-sufficiency. Dinson Industrial Group Chief Executive Officer Mr. Benson Shu says that the lining up of incentives to firms scaling up local production is important in realizing the goals of an industrialized economy.
This is just starting point, before a long journey to travel. So now we have the local steel, local quality steel. Then we know that the steel can be used for all the industry. So local, the buses industry can also be the industry can benefit from steel manufacturing.
AVM Africa Managing Director Mr. Jacob Cooper reviewed the importance of the agreement in adding value to Zimbabwe's industrialization roadmap.
The steel that is going to be manufactured in Zimbabwe, we're not going to export it, then come back as finished products. The steel, as it comes from the mill, is processed into final finished products, which in this case buses.
The Minister of Industry and Commerce, Honorable Manganiso Ndlovu, outlined the government's plan for incentives to local firms, consolidating the industrialization agenda.
The motor industry, which relies heavily on steel components, the mining sector, which depends on steel for machinery and equipment, the energy sector, which uses steel in power generation and transmission infrastructure, the transport and railway sectors, as well as agriculture, which benefits from steel-based equipment and implements, among others. This wide reach demonstrates the transformative power of steel in driving economic growth.
Zimbabwe is expected to derive benefits from the partnership by increasing confidence in the iron and steel sector, as well as reviving the motor industry, which is currently operating at less than 5% of installed capacity. Stanley James, ZBC News, Harare.
All right, let's take a look at the arts now, where the government is intensifying export development initiatives